Hi guys! Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ako kamahal ni Munton.
Sana all.
First game. Dito ang bilis ni S3 pumili ng lane niya at halatang gusto niya maging mid lane. Pero syempre di tayo papayag na hindi tayo yung magmi-mid lane.
Gago!
Para magtagumpay ang plano natin mag-show tayo ng pangmalakasang MMR na top Metropolitan Manila na ngayon.
Ang angas mo ah!
Nakaramdam na siguro dito si S3 wala siyang magagawa dahil hindi talaga ako nag-a-adjust ng lane. Siya na lang kusang nag-adjust. Hanggang sa ito ang naging lineup namin. Sa early medyo nakalamang kami kasi sa amin ang first blood at nakuha namin yung first turtle.
You have slain an enemy! Slain! Launch attack! Launch attack! Taste my blood! You have slain an enemy! Double kill!
Pero sa sobra wala map awareness yung core namin na sa top lang siya may turtle na. Buti na lang maganda naging trade naka-triple kill pa siya.
Launch attack! Double kill!
Dito sa third turtle nagkamali ako akala ko kasi mag-isa lang yung core nila inultihan ko agad. Kaso biglaan naglabasan yung mga kalaban.
Slain the
Di
turtle!
man nakuha yung turtle na patay naman yung core nila kaso lang ang bilis rin naubos mga kasama ko.
Launch attack! Ally has been slain. Ult is not ready. Take my vengeance!
Makikita ninyo sumasakit na rin sila.
Request backup!
Kaya kahit mahirap gagawan natin ng paraan bang up sa mga kakampi natin kahit masasakit na ang kalaban.
Enemy!
Kahit di kami lamang na pinilit nilang mag-contest sa Lord. Kaso lang target talaga ng Lunet score namin.
Under attack!
10 minutes pa lang nakalipas masasakit na sila sobra. Di na rin kami makatagal makipaglaban. Para kaming mga yelo ang bibilis namin matunaw.
Shut down! Initiate retreat! Launch attack!
Defeat. Second game. Katulad kanina lamang kami sa early. Pero pagdating sa backup and flash doon kami nalulugi dalawa rin kasi tank ng kalaban.
Taste my vengeance! Initiate retreat! Double kill! Tap the turtle! Ult is
Dito
not ready.
inaaway na nila yung XP lane namin. Wala ibang ginawa yung XP namin hanggang di niya nababasag yung lane di siya aalis at di rin siya sumasama sa class.
Double kill!
So this power is the story.
Initiate retreat! Ally has your place! Request backup! Slain. Shut down!
The story over.
Ally has been slain.
Matapang na sumugod yung tank at gold lane namin nakapitas naman sila ng dalawa.
My vengeance!
Kaso ang bilis din mag-map awareness yung tank nila kaya ako naging target nila and di pa rin ready purify ko.
Taste my vengeance! Taste my vengeance! An enemy has been slain!
Nagkamali na ng set yung cheat dito kaya naubos silang apat.
Spree.
Another rotten apple.
Double kill.
My heart
Triple kill.
Dito nakabawi-bawi kami. Kaso sa sobrang tapang ni Roger, hinahabol pa niya yung dalawa. Hindi ako naka-flicker para matulungan siya ng mabilisan.
Taste my vengeance. Shut down.
Kahit na anong gawin, hindi na talaga namin kaya.
Taste my vengeance. Turn it. Our base is under attack. Enemy rampage.
defeat.
Third game. Alam naman nilang may turtle na ang babagal pa nila mag-si-back
Kneel
up.
before your queen.
An ally has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Is the story over?
An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Third turtle at nakuha ko ito kaya nakalamang-lamang kami.
You have slain an enemy.
Prince. The doctor is second.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been.
Aware yung dalawa na may lord na lalabas pero
Kindness is
pinilit
a
ng
curse.
MM namin na patayin yung MM ng kalaban. Nakalimutan niya atang may Angela sa kabila.
Turret is under attack. My vengeance. Your queen turret has been destroyed. My has been slain. Enemy rampage.
At dahil nag-asim na ang core namin pati mga kasama namin gamaya na rin.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Has been destroyed. Enemy rampage. Enemy our inhibitor turret is under attack. You have been slain.
Defeat.
Fourth game. Line up pa lang ng kalaban kinakabahan na ako pero pinilit ko pa rin magtiwala kasi may healer kami. Kahit na lamang kayo sa early but ganto pa rin nangyayari.
Go, champion! Enemy my vengeance! Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat! Our inhibitor is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Turn it! Our base is under attack. Taste my vengeance! Our base is under attack. Taste my vengeance! Turn it! Shut down!
Defeat.
Fifth game. Dito pinipilit ng S5 siya ang mag-mage. At pinakitaan ako ng MMR niya. Hindi niya alam mas mataas yung MMR ko sa kanya.
I see lots of
Kanina top
prey.
Metropolitan
Your team is
Manila
picking.
na ako dahil LS ako balik
You
top
should be
QC
ashamed
na
for
lang.
not trusting yourself.
Kaso magkasama ata yung S2 at S5 auto switch na ang nangyari. Dito pinapakaba ko muna
Demons shall
sila
bathe
pero
in their
willing na
blood.
naman na ako
The light belongs
mag-adjust
to the
kasi wala
righteous.
akong magagawa kaso lang na ban Angel ako kaya wala akong choice kung
There's
hindi
nowhere for
mag-rough
the
pa
evil
ngayon.
to hide.
is picking.
Kaso ito naman S5 nag-suggest pa Iroh ko na lang daw Vex anak ko.
Gago ka ba?
Sa mga oras na to masasabi kong panatag at sure win na to.
You have slain an enemy. Healing prayers for you. These are the light bringers. Launch attack. Healing for everyone. Understood. Unstoppable. Healing prayers for you. Everyone regrets. So do I. Your team destroyed the turret. Healing for everyone. These are the Lightbringer. Monster kill. Killing spree. Healing for everyone. Healing for everyone. Legendary. Double kill. As for you. Healing for everyone.